Hey everyone, welcome to today's video where we're going to tackle a common problem that some Mac users might face. So, imagine you have a managed Mac from work, running on Sonoma 14.2, with Intune being used by your IT department to control the device. You recently changed your password, but now every time you restart, you have to go through the hassle of logging in twice. Annoying, right? Well, the issue here is that after the first login screen where you use your old password, there's a progress bar that takes 10 seconds to load, only to have the login screen reappear, where you must then use your new password to finally access your user account. Frustrating, isn't it? You've tried changing your password, but even your IT department is scratching their heads at this point. Let's see how we can solve this problem and get you seamlessly logging in with your new password. Solution: we can't pinpoint the exact cause without knowing the specific security settings your work has set up. Your password may be linked to a cloud source or just local to the Mac. Your IT department might have injected custom code or scripts on your Mac to synchronize passwords, but something might have disrupted the connection between the user password, keychain password, and the pre-boot filevault password. They could be escrowing a filevault token with MDM, running custom scripts, or simply misconfigured Intune. To fix this, someone will need to do a deep dive into the hardware, customizations, Apple's design, Intune settings, and any management profiles pushed to your device. Tests need to be designed, a plan made, and documentation updated to address the issue properly. In summary, dealing with password synchronization issues on a managed Mac can be a complex task, requiring a deep understanding of the setup and coordination between hardware, software, and security protocols. It's crucial to work closely with your IT department, document the impact of the problem, and be patient as they work on resolving the issue. Remember, good communication and collaboration are key to finding a solution that works for everyone. So, don't hesitate to reach out to them and provide feedback along the way. Good luck, and here's to smoother logins in the future. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Remember, a little humor can always lighten up a tech-related situation.